Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by protecting your data and your device. Back up to iCloud or a computer, then power down the iPad. Once done, heat the screen edge with a hair dryer or heat pad to soften adhesive. Make sure to keep heat under 90 degrees C and move continuously to avoid damage. Next, apply a suction cup near the home button and insert a thin pick or spudger once a small gap appears. Carefully pry along the edge. Slow, even pressure prevents cracking and makes the next step safe. With the screen lifted slightly, you must disconnect the battery first to avoid shorting. Use a plastic spudger on the battery connector and set the screen aside without flexing the cable. Once power is isolated, remove the metal bracket over the home button cable and unscrew the bracket screws, noting sizes and placement. Then detach the home button flex cable gently. It's delicate and often glued. If adhesive resists, apply low heat and lift with a nylon pick. Keep screws organized so reassembly matches original locations. After freeing the home button cable, you can lift the button assembly out. Note orientation for replacement or for installing a blank plate. Once the new part or blank is positioned, replace adhesive strips around the display frame and reconnect the display connectors, then reconnect the battery. Before sealing, power on and test touch, display, and face ID if applicable. If something fails, shut down, reopen, and reseat connectors. Make sure cables are fully inserted and bracket screws returned to original holes to restore grounding and function.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.